In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Canvas, whether you're new to using Canvas or just looking to refresh your online presence. Updating your profile picture is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Canvas account. Once you're in, the action begins on the homepage. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll find the settings icon. This is the primary gateway we'll use to access your account settings. Click on the icon and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing a variety of options. As you navigate through the settings, you're aiming for the Your Account section. Here, among other personalization options, is where you'll find the next step in our journey. Locate the option that says Change Photo. This is usually positioned near your existing profile picture or avatar. Click on Change Photo to proceed to the next stage. Now you'll have the chance to choose a picture that truly represents you. A window will pop up, giving you the option to either upload a new photo from your device or, if it's more convenient, select an image from your saved files. Use this moment to upload an image that is professional yet reflects your personality. If you need a second to decide, that's completely fine. Once you've selected the perfect photo, click the Open button to upload it to Canvas. As your image uploads, Canvas might prompt you to adjust the size or crop the image to better fit their display requirements. Take advantage of this opportunity to ensure your picture is centered and framed just the way you like it. Remember, a well-cropped photo can make all the difference in creating a positive impression. With your photo perfectly adjusted, the final step is to save these changes. Look for a Save or Submit button, often located toward the bottom of the window, and give it a click. This action will finalize your new profile picture. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your profile picture on Canvas. It's a small update, but one that keeps your online persona up to date and engaging. Now, whenever you interact in Canvas, your new profile picture will appear beside your tasks and communications, adding a personal touch to your digital presence. That's all there is to it. You can revisit and change your photo anytime you feel like keeping things fresh. Thank you for following along, and happy profile picture changing.